Investing was never equal. Billions locked out. The data, the tools, the access kept for a few. Not anymore. Since 2007, eToro has used technology to change that, to open the markets and give everyone a seat at the table. Today, the eToro platform gets smarter, faster, sharper, built on AI from the ground up. The world is changing, so are we. It's not just a new look, it's the idea at the heart of it. No better. Meet Tori, our AI agent. Proactive, personalized. The right insight at the right moment, wherever you are. In the app, on your watch, and soon on WhatsApp. Community intelligence delivered by AI. This is the age of agents. Build them, copy them, manage them with you in control. An app store where anyone can build. Pro-grade tools once locked behind institutional walls, now in everyone's hands. One app, every need. Build on what millions of investors already know. Human insight supercharged by AI. With eToro, you know better.